don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to all my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sukukune 1. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola, Sibo, the best analyst. Sandawane Kabuyelo. Sayibamba. Okay, bafethu. Ayana mgidlana lokhulumayo konke Sandawana bafethu. What a game bafethu. Brilliant game. Ucoach wethu bafethu. They were approaching akhona le game lena ne. First half approaching ukuthi asilethele umkwena, asilethele uAlende, asilethele uAdams abaphakathi and then bajoyine uSalesi, bajoyine noMatthews. What was happening first half? We had all the ball in all the ball position. But now that ball position was not hitting Isikhukhune because the ball was rotating a lot in the middle. Uyangithola? Umkwena ufuna ibhola close, uAdams ufuna ikona ibhola close, uAlende ufuna ibhola close. Uyangithola? And what hurts us more is that uSalesi usesayidini bambeke ku right and his left footed. uMatthews bambeke ku left and his right footed. Meaning that by inverter baza phakathi. Babaza phakathi ba overcrowded. That is why striker sethu Leon mengathola amabhola because lama defender weSikhukhune i4 ahlezi nayo i1. So manje wayenzani? Waletha uSaleng. Makaletha uSaleng uyaba spreader uvula iside. Uyangithola? Waletha number 10 wethu uNuno naye ukuthi ayengale ukuthi aba spread. Uyangithola izinto lezo. So that's where you started seeing a change. And then wayenzani? Waletha uThembazwane wakhipha umkwena. Someone can say it's a blind, but it was a smart move because manje uThembazwane ukwazi ukuthena ngamabhola. Uyathola? So it means ukuthi mase sine progress. Lento ekhuluma ngakuthi phakathi bese ngena progression because bonke bafuna ibhola lana and bafuna ukubisela emuva short passing. So Thembazwane was ukhera. That was happened. Thembazwane uthena nebhola uyakhera. And makaqeda ukukhera abantu abadlala emasayidini abekho la phakathi basemasayidini uSaleng. And then mase ibhola uSaleng kwenzakalani? Because ba penetrate uSaleng 1-on-1 cut back uNezo Reyners kwaba inet. Uyangithola? I think ukuthi coach namhlanje wasonthi ama-technical wakhe. Let's give credit ku Khatoso bafethu. Namhlanje ukwazile ukuyiplanela Isikhukhune kahle. The way because also you must remember lento akayenzile ukuthi adlale ngama middle fielder adlala close is that ufuna ukupreserve i-energy. Uyangithola? Uyazi ukuthi sinama game amaningi esiwadlalayo and manje sidinga i-energy. So makaphethela abantu laba bayi4 phakathi because was saving energy and manje sikwazile ukuwina ngendaba yakhe. Ngiyabonga. uSaleng namhlanje unama assist ayi2. Danko.